TC Amain, sponsored by Race Rewards, going live. Less than 5. Nice great start here from our 25 guys. Craig, Master, Palmer, Busher.
Good, bud.
Bulldog, lead them off as your current top 5. All right, 30 down, 4:30 to go. 30 down, 4:30 to go. Craig still leading the way in that all pink. Got Master in the all white. Coach are running in the 3 spot in the blue and orange. Got the red, white, and blue of Braden running the number 4. Boulder running in the 5. Tony in the 6 and Goddard in the 7. Oh, Corey getting up on the pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, all on the straightaway together. Here we are through the Amain carousel. Got a pipe fix going on over here on the right hand side. He's not digging, he's not digging this. Well, Coach is having a couple issues there. Going across the line, got to drop him down out of that number 7 spot, all the way down to 7. And Mulder gets up on the pipe. Now let's go put Rumpel into that number 5 spot. Ron in the 6, and Logan in the 7.
Rumble going in there now.
There you tapped. 1, 2, 3, all on the straightaway together. Equal distances
That's
apart.
a good car right there.
Right here in front of the driver's stand. They're going to be
Right where it's sitting.
I
missed mine.
Shortly. The all pink, the all white, and the red, white, and blue.
Good result.
Ron getting his way to your leaders as they make their way by. Looks like Master is closed up on Craig just a little bit. Oh yeah, Rumpel getting up onto the wall. Your leaders able to get by with no issues there. Gap at the line between
Those already playing. He tried the first fucking time.
The 2 of them.
Video.
Craig
Huh? Video.
and Harry.
Demonetized.
1 and 2, the all pink and the all white. We're 2:45 down, 2:15 to go, 2:45 down, 2:15 to go. Oh, Molnar rolling it over there in front of your leader. Corey able to get through. Butcher back up into that number 4 spot. Coming back after those couple issues. Molnar now into 5. We've got Craig, Masley, Maher, Pilcher, Molnar, Rumpel, and Goddard. That is your full running order with 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. Here, 25.5 Joint Cars, sponsored by Race Rewards. Got a body check there. Got a fix. Staying high and letting the guys go by. And back to racing he goes. Got the all white right now behind Logan Filcher. 2 and 3 behind Logan. Down the front straightaway they go. Corey Craig has been leading since the start. Jeremy Massey in the all white, minute 15 to go, running the number 2 spot. Braden in the red, white, and blue, trying to track him down. Here they are right in front of the driver's stand. Gap at the line, 8/10 of a second. Gap this time, still 8/10. As Corey's able to add about another 1/10 of a second to his lead over Jeremy. We got Logan Hofer in between them right now. Logan running that number 4 spot. Got Jordan running in 5. Jordan on the bicycle through the Amain carousel. They'll bring it back down, all 4 tires back down to the racing surface. Jeremy getting by Logan right there. Time to put him in charge here. Final 30 seconds to go. Jeremy closing in within 8/10 of Corey. Issue there for Brady, but he's going to hold on to that number 3. 1 and 2 down the straightaway at the same time. We got 15 seconds to go. They'll get this lap. One more, might get another. 10 seconds to go as they come across the stripe. The all pink and the all white battling out 1 and 2. They are coming to the line. 3 seconds to go. They will get one more. Craig and Massimo are going to get one more. Battling out to the line. Massimo up on the pipe. Body tuck. Corey's going to get by to the line. All right, that is a race. That is a race. Corey Craig going to take the win. Jeremy's going to finish up in 2. Braden in the 3. Logan in the 4. And Jordan is going to finish up in the 5.